The Conference Board's Corporate Governance Academy program is an intensive course over a 2-day period in which we try to focus on all the key issues facing a corporate secretary in working with a corporate board of directors. Issues such as the fiduciary duties of the board, the way in which the board interacts with shareholders, how to avoid activist hedge funds coming into your company, dealing with strategy, risk, sustainability, and ways in which the corporation generates value for the shareholders and communicates that value to the shareholders. The people most likely to benefit from attending the Academy are people with a direct role dealing with the board of directors of the corporation. And they can be the corporate secretary, legal counsel, internal control, HR, dealing with remuneration, anyone really in the chain of reporting to the board on any of the key issues. And they can be for a full board at the parent company level or subsidiary boards who are subject to many of the same corporate governance requirements that the full board is subject to. And so this program would give each individual, each executive dealing with the board, a better sense of what it is the board wants. What is the perspective of the board? The board has certain fiduciary duties, and you as an executive need to be aware of what those duties are and how you can communicate with the board in your specific expertise area and really deal with the board more effectively and become a more senior trusted advisor to the board. The Corporate Governance Academy is a very different program from anything that you will experience in a business school or in a law school. Our focus is entirely on practical situations. Our faculty is comprised of sitting corporate secretaries and advisors to boards who deal with case study materials. It's not academic and it's very hands-on, so that each of the topics is considered in a very practical sense. And we have companies from throughout Europe, India, Asia, and the Middle East. And they all are facing very similar problems in dealing with corporate boards of directors, the effectiveness of boards, and how to engage with investors.